Hi there, and welcome to Miro. My name is Shah, and I'm the TP-Link product manager. And today I'm extremely excited to be introducing the TP-Link Archer C20. This is an extremely affordable router, but at the same time renders great performance. So for the consumer that's looking to get a bang for their buck, this is definitely something you need to consider. So let's take a look at the actual unit. So looking at the outside of the box, you can see it's got the wonderful TP-Link branding. The first thing you'll notice that it says that it's a dual band router. So this means it can operate up to 300 megabits on the 2.4 gigahertz band and up to 433 megabits per second on the 5 gigahertz band, which is really a great thing because it means that you're future-proofing your Wi-Fi connectivity. This router will be able to connect to the newer devices and render even higher speeds than your typical 802.11n standard. It also has superior coverage. You'll see it's got 3 antennas. In an open space, this router can cover up to 80 meters. And then lastly, it's a very easy router to set up, really friendly user interface, and you can have this up and running in no time. So let's open up the box. So here you'll see you've got your quick installation guide. That's it. You've got the actual main unit itself, and that's got 3 attached antennas. Just open this one up quick. Just set that up. So you've got your internet input port over here, and then your 4 Ethernet ports to connect other devices, your on and off switch, and then your DC input. Now, looking at this actual unit, one of the main highlights is the way that it aesthetically looks. It really is an amazing looking router. I'll just give you a look at that. Really next level when it comes to design. Something that's really going to look nice in your home and complements it. Then last of all, you have your DC connection, your power supply, and then your Ethernet cable. So really, that's all that it is to it. But like I said earlier, this is for the home user that's looking to get a really great performing router. You know, it has all the normal features of a more expensive dual band router, but it comes in at a really fantastic price point. So yes, check out the Miro website, and we'll hope to be in touch and hear from you. I don't know.